Hello everybody, I'm Bartek from INSAINT Project Motorcycles, the owner. So we made that project for our very good client Krzysztof, and he asked us to make a short video showing the changes what we have done in this project. So basically the first thing is the pneumatic suspension on the front and on the rear. Maybe I show you. So here we have two extra manometers for the front and for the rear. Maybe let's put the ignition on. Here we have switch for front, auto and rear. So basically the front suspension you can steer from this button. Adding, let's make it for the front. We have manometer here. You see, you can make it stiffer or not. So let's put maybe on the rear suspension. We added also some pilot for this, so it's going up right now. Okay, so now it's maximum up. So we can see it with a beer or during some party or occasion. You can just show standing on the side how it's working. So now it's maximum. Now it's maximum down. We stop at this moment for the minimum to have some space between the rod and the exhaust system, yeah? So to be sure that nothing will happen. Okay, let's go to the auto mode. Maybe I will go it all the way down. So basically when you will put the suspension in auto mode, here it will go all the way out, all the way up for the level that we adjusted. It's level that our client wanted, so doesn't matter if you put some extra bags, or of course in a trunk. You have here we put it also the manometer for the old system. Here is air compressor with extra switch for it. Okay, here between the exhaust system we added the air accumulator and oil cooling system, but later about this. So doesn't matter if you are riding alone or with a passenger, Trike will be all the time at the same level. Of course you can in a real time during the drive you can check what is the not the level, but what is the pressure in the system, yeah, for the rear and from the front, as I was saying. So radio is also steered from the handlebar. Of course you have heated handlebar. What we have done next for the comfort, we put it heated seat, but with the for the driver and the front for the passenger. What is the difference? Because we put it heating here for the seat and for the backrest, for the driver and for the passenger, over here and over here. What next? Of course, for the steering we have pneumatic suspension. What else? We put it a steering dampener, which is which is very helpful for the Trike. Yeah. So now when you have a bad road or something is happening on the road, you haven't got problems with the handlebar. So we make of course the seat and the backrest is fully custom made here in our workshop. So it's two types of skin, and it's really looking nice. It's very it's composed in a painting. And about the painting was done in States by Monster FX company. You can Google it or you can check it on YouTube. Those are really talented guys. For the comfort, of course, for the Trike we have reverse gear. So what happens when we put reverse? We have parking sensors. So we install it over here. So when you are going somewhere, you can see how it's working, yeah? So you can be sure that you will not hit anything during the reverse, and also for the front. You are switching it with separate button. Okay. We also put it LED headlight plus spots for convenience. Also highways, it's beautiful for drive. Speakers, we changed the speakers, so now everything is playing very nice and clean. What else? Of course, front suspension is also pneumatic. Rear axle, when we were putting the pneumatic suspension system, we also checked and we replaced all the bearings, and we adjusted properly the rear axle with the differential. Yeah. On the rear you have also Kuriakin lamps plus turn signals, and I think it's ready to drive. Nothing will happen, and it's fully custom made. We also put it an extra cooling system with OEM adapter and with the fan and cooler on rear, as I was showing before. So during the drive, when you will hit the traffic, you can just switch on the fan of the cooling, or you can just wait for automatic to make it on, because it's also fully automatic with temperature sensor. Yeah? We also put it LEDs for the night, let's say. So it's everywhere. You have LED lights. We also put it the titanium wrap on the exhaust system for better cooling and better emission efficiency. You can see it's everywhere. So really big amount of work, but it's really nice to make projects like this painting, this seat plus pneumatics, steering dampener, oil cooling system, everything is checked and it's really nice to drive. Okay, thank you for hearing. See you guys.